For today's video, kami ni Kuya ang utility ngayon.
At least this is an okay bar for running into.
Apat po nasa taas niya, no?
It's an awful house, and I wanted to get you out. I'm working on a plan right now to come through. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down. Oh, nothing feels the same without you now. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down, 'cause nothing feels the same without you now. What's the point in dreaming if I lose my voice? The second I get caught by you, I wanted you to know that I'm afraid, but we can make it go away. I hope you hear the things I say when I'm choked up next to you. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down. Oh, nothing feels the same without you now.
I need coffee. So, kakauwi lang namin. 9:30 yung out. Nag-kiss kami kanina isa. So, yun na yun. Bukas ulit. Hataw na naman. Guess.
Wasting time and I'm afraid I'm wasting mine. But if you talk to me again, it'd be worth it. All my friends are wasting time and I'm afraid I'm wasting my whole life trying to be something I can't. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down, 'cause nothing feels the same without you now. I've waited for a lifetime.
Ito, isang tissue na to. Ano pa to? Binigay pa to ni mamani. Kasi itong salamin na to sa kanya din to. Siguro nauurat na yun kasi hindi ko binalik. Kasi sabi niya, sa akin na daw. Asahan mo, aalagaan ko to. Salamat po, Sisi. Kamsahamnida. Alam niyo kung anong problema dito sa Pampanga. Papansin ko lang pagdating sa basura, nangungulikta sila pero ang basura, 2 weeks ata o ilang week matitingga ang basura. Kunting ulan lang as in magbabaha. So yun yung ko dito sa Pampanga, na parang sa mga basura nila hindi kinukolekta na iwan. Kasi doon sa tas dito sa staff house hindi nila kinukuha. Sorry. So far so good naman. See you sa next video. Ganyan kadumi ang aking mukha.